Hey guys, guess what? It's my first video. Yay! This is my cover of da 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 Jane Doe, but Never Shout Never. Here you go. Jane Doe, I don't think I know you, but I know for sure that you are beautiful. So baby, let me know your name. Damn, what's her name? So overly attracted and terribly convinced she could be my princess and I could be her prince. And I felt that way since I saw Jane Doe. What's her name? Overly attracted and terribly convinced she could be my princess and I could be her prince. And I felt that way since I saw Jane Doe. She's everything I want in life. She's everything that I want for sure. She's everything that I want to adore. Well, baby, I am attracted and terribly convinced that she could be my lover, and I think I lost my chance. You had me at first glimpse, oh my Jane Doe. So I hope you enjoyed my first video. So yeah, subscribe guys and like be amazing like that. Yeah, love you guys.